Alright. So you are welcome to my weekly buyers video, and I am Action FX, also known as King Hope FX. Alright, so you are welcome to my weekly buyers video, and this video is just where I do my own analysis, right? I do my own technical analysis in Forex, GBPUSD to be precise. Alright, so all you just need to do is just stay to the end of this video to see what I have, if I'm going to be selling this new weekly entry, or if I'm going to be buying in this new week we are entering. Alright, so this is my weekly buyers video, and all you just need to do is just stay to the end of this video and see what I have for you. Alright, so it's been a good trading. Last month it was a good trading move. Not that I didn't take losses, I took more losses than even myself. I took over, like, I think, let me see, so last month I had over 21 trades taken by me. Alright, 21 trades taken by me, and I made, inside that 21 trade, I lost like 13, like I took stop losses, like 13 stop losses in that 21 trade. Alright, and I win 8 trades in this in last month, guys, which is last month, which is May, April. Last month, that was April. I made over 8 trades win, and I lose 13 trades, which total trades is like 21. Alright, so, and if we're talking about my pips, in the win trades I have, I took over, like, I made over like 537 pips. If you're a forex trader, I believe you know what is pips, right? I believe you know what is pips. If you're a new forex trader, I still believe you know what is pips, because pips is like at least the main basic things you will be learning when you just start with forex. So even if you're a new trader, you are a beginner trader, or you have at least little experiences, like 6 to 1 year experience, I believe you know what is pips. But if you don't know what is pips, I have my online class where I teach how to trade forex from the basics to the advanced, which is teaching you my technical analysis, teaching you how I trade forex from the basics to the advanced. You understand? So I made over 537 pips last month, and with the losses I lost over 297 pips, which is 537 minus 287. I made over 250 pips last month, which is March, and this helps me to recover my drawdown in my Profem account. Right, one of my Profem account, I recovered my drawdown, but this month I'm still in drawdown in my other Profem account, which I believe I will be recovering in this month of May. Alright, so all you just need to do is stay to the end of this video and see what I have for you, my weekly buyers trading GBPUSD. Alright, so I'm currently on a trade on gold, which I took on Friday, and this is Sunday. So this means that I am swinging this gold trade. I don't know if it's going to be a win, but I'll be showing you, which means I'm swinging this gold trade. So this is the trade, as you can see. This is the trade, this is the gold trade, and this is where I entered this trade for. As you see, price moved up, right? Price moved up, gave me over like 50 pips, and go back on drawdown, which is called retracement. If this is going to be a winning trade, this is just called a retracement, right? This was where I was actually targeting in this trade. So this is where I was actually targeting in this. No, hold on. So this is where I was actually targeting in this trade. So because they did that huge retracement to the downside, I assume they moved up, they would have gotten to my take profit, which you can see right here. This is my take profit. So I assume they moved up, I would have been this trade on Friday, but they didn't, and they had a very big retracement, right? A very big retracement. So this made me increase my take profit level because I have experience with this and I know how this operates. So this is where I'm going to be targeting in this new week we are entering. So I'm going to be targeting this place, which is over 88 pips, right? So this is it. So let's just see how it goes. I'll be documenting the trade. If it's going to be a win, I'll let you guys know. If it's going to be a loss, I'll let you guys know. So let's hop into my chart and let me show you my technical analysis based on what I'm going to be trading this new week in GBPUSD, only GBPUSD. That's why I'll be doing my technical analysis on. That's where I'll be giving you people GBPUSD. So let's just see how it goes, alright? So let's hop into my chart right now, alright? Alright. I believe you can see my screen and you can hear me. Even if you can't hear me clearly, I know this Zoom call record is kind of how will I put it? Kind of choppy. That's how Zoom call recording is, but I believe you can hear me, right? So this is my screen. And this is my GBPUSD chart, where I do technical analysis in order to know if I am going to be buying or if I am going to be selling. So this is just it for you, alright? So I'm currently on my day 1 time frame, that is daily time frame, which is my own higher time frame where I start my technical analysis from. Alright, so this is 4 hours. So let me hop into the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame where I start my technical analysis from. Seeing the chart on a bigger picture. You understand? You need to see the chart in a bigger picture. So your higher time frame is going to help you see this chart on a bigger picture, right? So this is my daily time frame, right? And by doing my technical analysis, what I'm currently seeing in this chart, right? I'm seeing a break of structure to the upside, right? I'm seeing a break of structure to the upside, and I'll do good to label each and every one thing I'm going to be saying. So just stay tuned. But make sure you do well to subscribe to this channel for more forex updates like this, because you can learn from all these videos. Like this video and also comment and share, and I really appreciate you for that. And also you can ask any question in the comment section, and I am always available to answer you. Alright, if you want to learn forex, you can send me a message. Just go to my bio and you see my telegram link, or my telegram username. All you're going to do is just send me a message, then you can begin. But I have a price tag. I don't teach forex for free, alright? But I'm dropping this free knowledge out here, so you can still learn from it if you don't have money to register for my online class, alright? So back to the chart. So what I'm currently seeing, I've seen my break of structure, which is this one. In the previous chart, this chart is like, let me see the date. That is September 25 September 2024. That's when this chart happened. Let me see if I can circle it for you. So this whole price movement happened last year. It happened last year, right? There is this one. Okay, here is 2025, but from here to here is last year, right? So, and that last year, why I figured out that last year that happened, that made me know that, okay, I'll be having something to do right here, which I will still let you know. So I have my break of structure, which I have said before, and guess what? I had my market structure shift. These are things, these are criteria we use as a trader in order to like know what decision we have to take, right? So this is just my strategy, which I found myself. So this is my MSS, which is market structure shift, and the break of structure, which is US. So after seeing all these things, I marked out my supply zone, which is this zone, and let's see what happened. Normally, this is a supply zone, but I normally just call this POI because I'm already familiar with everything. So point of interest, I have point of interest in that zone. So my point of interest means that I would like to watch what price is going to do whenever price approach this zone. You understand? So this is the supply zone. And lastly, this is my liquidity. This is what I'm marking as my liquidity of that zone, right? So this means that I'll be looking for sales opportunity in this zone. Not that easy, not that as price is in the zone, I'll just start selling. No, I still need to take the confirmation, which I'll be showing you. So this video is just how to know my weekly buyers, what to do this new week we are entering. So today is Sunday and I'm recording this video. So this video is just to know where I'll be trading to, where I'll be heading to. So if I see what I'm looking for, which is in my 4 hours time frame, so I'm opening to my 4 hours time frame now. Opening into my 4 hours time frame now. And what I'm seeing in my 4 hours time frame, as you can see, the chart is a whole lot more bigger. So this is how it's updates. So in my 4 hours time frame, what I want to see before confirming that yes, there are more sellers in the market, right? If confirming that there are more sellers in the market, I've seen my break of structure, which I talked about in the higher time frame, the daily time frame as well. I've seen my break of structure, right? I've seen my break of structure, and see my break of structure, it shows that there are still buyers in the market. Yeah, there are still buyers in the market. But before, if this supply zone is going to go, like we say, I have this like daily time frame supply zone. So if this supply zone is going to go, the price would have done something like this. Let's see, price would have done something like this. Come to this supply zone and start buying. Come to this demand zone, because this is a break of structure. Price would have come to this zone, right, and start buying, continue buying. But in this case, look at what we are seeing. Look at what we are seeing. I don't know what's going to happen, but this zone might still hold. This zone might still hold because this is a demand zone. The demand zone, it might continue taking price all the way to the upside. Sorry about that. Let me remark again. So it might continue taking price to the upside. You understand? It might continue taking price to the upside, but my main focus, because right now I've approached our daily time frame supply zone, my main focus is looking for sales, which I'll tell you what I want to see in order to confirm that they are now sellers in the market, right? So that buy is just in case if that happens. So before confirming that they are now sellers in the market, I want to see this last low being taken out. So this is our last low, and I want to see this last low being taken out, which is now confirming our market structural shift, which means the price has reversed from buy to sell. Right, from buy to sell. So we want to see something like this in order to confirm that they are now sellers in the market. So this is it. We have to see something like this and buy back to this zone. the sale is going to be on the long run, right? It's going to be on the long run. So this is what I want to see. This is what I want to see before confirming my sales. But in other case, let me hop into my 30-minute time frame, which I take my entry from. Right? Because why? Price hasn't given us the market structural shift, which is confirming our sales. So in that case, I'm still pending in these 4 hours buyers, right? So let me see what is happening in our 30-minute time frame, which is where I do take my entries from. Alright, so as you can see, this is our 30-minute time frame. As you can see, this is the low. That post this break of structure, right? And if this low eventually got taken out, right? If this low eventually got taken out, that means there are more sellers in the market than buyers. So our buyers will start being sales than buyers. Our buyers will start being sales than buyers. So if you are looking for buyers, it's going to be like you are trading against the trend, because the trend has reversed from sales to buy. Alright, to buy. So this is just it. So price hasn't taken out the low. Whenever price take out the low, just stay tuned in my videos that I'll be dropping. I'll still record what price is going to do after then and how I'll be taking my entries. So price hasn't taken that low. So this means that if price are starting to an higher time frame supply, I want to see sales, and as you can see, price is already swinging down, right? Price is already swinging down, which shows that there are sellers in that supply zone, which I showed you in our higher time frame, either the 4 hours or the daily time frame. So let me show you something. Alright, so as you can see, this is the sell I'm telling you about. So price is already selling downward, right? Price is already selling downward. So all we just need to do is just stay patient. And see if they are going to break this low I marked here. Oh, sorry. Let me take all these thoughts. Oh. Okay. Alright. So if price is going to be taking off this low, then I'll be confirming my market structural shift, and this means that there are now more sellers in the market than buyers. Then I'll be looking for sales opportunity more than looking for buyers opportunity. So I just want to see what is going to happen, right? I just want to see what is going to happen before confirming the sales. But whereas if I'm on the shorter run, if price is going to be selling downwards, I want to see. Alright, I've seen a break of structure here. That is, in this forex, you see a whole lot of things. As long as you have gotten the knowledge, you've mastered the language of the technical analysis, you can do yourself good by spotting out the opportunity. So, like I said, price is coming from higher time frame supply zone. This means that if you are buying, it might be a risky thing, but in this game, it's a game of risk. So I've already seen a clear POS right here, right? I see a clear POS right here, and if price is going to be giving me market structural shift, right? If price is going to be giving me market structural shift, I want to see price breaking this low I talked about, tapping into this demand zone and going back up, either continue the sales from this supply zone, right? this zone is going to be a supply zone. It's not yet a supply zone until we confirm this type of structure, this market structure shift. But this is what I believe that is going to happen with my experiences and lessons I've learned. This is what might happen, that is going to happen. So as you can see, I want to see price doing something like this. Then I will, if eventually price take out this low, I'll be buying from this demand zone, right? Taking out my profit from this zone, because this place is going to be a supply zone. Then I'll continue the sell downwards. If this zone is not going to go, I still have another zone, as long as we've confirmed our market structural shift, which is this zone. Which is this zone, right? Which is this zone. So this is just how, this is also what I am seeing in GBPUSD. So already I've seen where I want to buy from, which is this zone, and this zone gave me my liquidity. There's no liquidity in these zones. I won't be budging buying from here. I won't be budging buying from here. So the zone already gave me my liquidity, which is all this, which I just draw. So I've drawn the liquidity for you guys. And let me stream the chart so you can see it on a bigger picture. Alright, so as you can see, this is exactly what I want to see in GBPUSD in this coming week. We are entering. I'll be selling, I'll be buying to sell. If price will be able to take out this low, that is going to be confirming my market structural shift. I'll be selling, I'll be buying and also selling, right? This zone, whenever the market structural shift happens, this zone is going to be a supply zone. And also this zone is going to be a supply zone. This zone doesn't hold. This zone is going to hold. I assure you that. Because price has already tapped our daily time frame zone. So these zones like this normally takes price down. Like, I won't lie to you. Zones like this, these zones like this takes price like all the way down. Let me see if I can forecast it for you. So supply zones like that do take price all the way down to this zone before you start thinking of if price is going to start going up again. So in the longer run, this thing doesn't happen under one day, right? This thing doesn't happen under one day, neither happens under 1 week. It takes at least 2 weeks to happen. It takes at least 2 weeks to happen, or 2 weeks to happen. Well, sometimes a month set. If there's volatility in the market, right? If there's volatility in the market, it takes at least 2 weeks to happen. If there's no volatility, it takes like 1 month or a month hand to happen. But this is what you are going to be seeing on the longer run. On the longer run, this is what you are going to be seeing. So make sure you do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share. So it's a few points of mine. I believe we know that I'll be buying to sell in this new week. I'm entering. So let me just see, whenever price get to this zone, I'll be taking my entry, and also I'll be taking my entry whenever price get to this zone. Then guys, I'll be buying, right? Then selling from here to the downside. I'll continue selling to the downside. I'm looking for, instead I was looking for sales opportunity to the downside, right, with my structures, because I use this structure-based strategy in order to understand Forex. So this is just it for it. If this zone doesn't hold, I still have this zone to sell from. Alright? So this is just it for it. And I believe you enjoyed the video, and also you learned 1 or 2 in this video I just made, or in this recording I just made. Alright, so this is just it for me. And make sure you do well to to subscribe on my channel, like this video, and also share. And see you in my next video. You can ask any question in the comment section, and guess what? I will answer you. Alright. So this is just it for it, and make sure you enjoy the new trading week from me to you. Alright, this is only one Action FX, also known as Teligram FX. And see you in my next video. Alright. Okay. So it's already late, right? It's already late right here, and I believe you've watched the video from the starting to the ending, and I believe you gained knowledge in this video. Alright, I believe you gained knowledge in this video. All you just need to do for me is make sure you like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel for more forex video like this. There's only one king with FX, and also known as Action FX. So do well to wait for my next video. Turn on your notification bell, and I will really appreciate you for that. Alright, so enjoy the new trading week from me to you. Alright, so peace out.